Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Home Telecom account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Home Telecom Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link where it says view and pay your bill online. Once you click on it, you will get to this page. On this page, you'll have to click on access your account button. Once you click on it, you will get to this login page. On this page, if you are a new user, you can click on this register now button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your username or your account number on the first box. And after that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, you can click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Home Telecom account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.